Kama Studios. Ene yaba bekasa fa GAF recruitment course obusua age limit and afi educational background obusua ene yen kama asem kakra me so share this video say be do empanimfo bi anim na omahwe na omaka ho asem me hu se nkofo bebre na start yes a campaign no say omonhwe na omo enye bi mfa ho because when it comes to the GAF recruitment obusua omo say 18 to 25 years old ena omo betimi accept that is the age limit and as the age range omo pe. Now, when you look at the age, you can attest to the fact that say abusuya will be already 18 to 25 years. After any pan or basso. Now, from 25 to 35 no nipa no building the Moses we na no that's it. No what's this in so. And when you look at that age, I think that is the perfect age for that recruitment from that 25 no baby I don't know up to 35 no. That is where we will be able to nipa no when you see them and because 18 years we will be 18 years in our and when you look at the person no afi no woba what you see and as any part mentally when you fully developed will be already 18 them say yes you would 18 na what through some certain sectors be a bit because okay that 18 years no ebia wadwuma be with me you can do things on your own. That is perfect. But we be already 25 for con. Nipa no was stable mind. Nipa no was stable character or stable behavior be who ne no or per se we win him. But 18 years on after nipa no building on our drain and said I conk and shouldn't see be what I say. And the person can apply and it can reach to a certain point that will be a change of mind. But 25 to 35 year nipa no were fully matured. Sada me patch. And when you look at the educational qualities or the educational background homogeneous unya D7 and they apply MOB manify E8 they will not accept you, F9 they will not accept you either in BC or the WASI. And I think said they can also do something about that because we be passion, the panel share the Moses need to be or you fully fitted say betima recruiting into the army, but because of educational background being tibia sad no pass or bakumu in one of the English that is the English and then the math and on mostly dependent social and I mean science and the optional because we choose 6 and then the 6 it comes with the core math and then the English, then you add other best 4 subject away there or certificate no. So I feel like say they shouldn't consider the math and then the English to disqualify someone because zenipan E8 I think they should just recruit the people and when they go to the screening center now you look at the person because they will be a cost. So when you look at the person and feel like this person is fully fitted then you add the person to it because the army it's not like will be our so intelligent near that DB what I say. It comes with a lot of qualities. So when you look at the educational background and you disqualify someone, I think say they have to do something about that in that sector too. Watch it. So when it comes to the educational background, I have doubt in that. And when it goes to the the age range as well, and so have a very question to ask. Intimacy etc. Leave your comment under the comment section because I feel like say they should reconsider and do something about this GAF recruitment course before the deadline. Hi Karma, so there's anything that goes around, we talk about it over here. Kindly follow this page for more news and more updates. You're finally out.